I'm Cassie Metzger, Director of Marketing Communications for QMotion, a brand of Legrand, and we're here at CEDIA 2016, and our dealers are very excited about our Q Advanced Intelligent system. It's our QIS Hardwired Shades, and what they're loving about it is that we use a standard Cat5e, Cat6 cable for power and communication to the shades. What's awesome about that is you don't need an electrician to install them, so that saves the dealer money. It's all about the bottom line for the dealer. We spent a lot of time talking with them. We've done some other upgrades to the system. There's several options for controlling the hardwired shades. You can do it with a wired switch, a single or dual wired switch. It's also integrated with all the leading integration systems, certainly with Vantage system. One of the things that's unique for QMotion is our patented manual override feature. And what's nice about that is you can pull on the shade and you're not going to damage the motors. QMotion is the only one that has the patented manual override system. The other thing that is new with our QIS system is this little guy here, this wiring adapter. What's nice about that is you can take a pre-installed system, so if a home is already pre-wired for a non-QMotion system, with this little adapter you can very easily plug it in, so then it will then work with the QIS system. The other benefit of the QIS system is that it's low power consumption, so that's good for the homeowner. Putting in the shades is not going to make their energy bill go up. If anything, having motorized shades are going to benefit you because you can use it tied in with your lighting and shading system or the overall home automation system with temperature control to use natural light to light the room or help heat or cool the room by moving the shades up and down. This is the control box that goes with the QIS system. It can support 8 devices per control box, and then you can also connect the different control boxes and you can have a total of 200 shades in one system. We have long runs between the control box and to the shade. It's over 1,200 feet just for one individual shade, but the whole system can be much longer than that. So that's very good from a very competitive edge for our dealers. Another thing that for the control options with the shades is you can interface with the Zigbee two-way communications. So we're part of the Zigbee Alliance and we have a certification with the Home Automation version 1.2. What's great for that? It's two-way communication. What's that mean for me as a dealer or a homeowner? Is now I can get feedback for when I give a command to my shade, I get the feedback that the shade moved to the position that we set. It'll also give feedback if someone pulls it on manually, the automation system will get a signal that says the shade's been moved and they can see that on their app. The other thing is we have our Zigbee battery operated shades. So just like the wired system, the motor's inside the tube, but the batteries are inside the shade tube as well, so you don't see that. And with the two-way operation, the two-way communication, you can see the battery life. So that's something very new, and that's something that our dealers are just going crazy about, because that way they can set alerts for the homeowner to see when do I need to change the battery. We do have long battery life. We are seeing at least 3 years, sometimes more, depending on how often they're used and the side of the shade and those kinds of things. But being able to have alert that says I need to change the batteries in my shade is something that the homeowners and the integrators are really liking. So we're very excited about these things that we have, making it easy to install, easy to integrate, and easy to use. So it's all about how we can have benefits for the dealers.